Hello dear students of grade 8. Good morning and have a good day today. I hope each of you will be fine and healthy. Today we will start new lesson number 4, with lesson title, Tables, Links, and Frames in HTML. So let's start the first lecture of this week. In this first lecture of week 8, we will learn how to design tables in HTML document, and how to define data inside table cells. A table is a collection of rows and columns. HTML tables allow web authors to arrange data into rows and columns. A cell is an intersections of one row and one column in a table. Tables in web page make the data easier to read and to interpret. Dear students, look at this slide. Here in this slide you can see all basic tags that are used to create a table. Number 1, caption tag, to give a caption or heading to a table. Number 2, th tag, to make column headings like column heading 1, column heading 2, and column heading 3. Number 3, tr tag, to design table rows. And number 4, td tag, to type data in each cell of the row. In next slide, you will find the formal definitions of all these tags. To design tables in HTML document, following are some basic and important tags used in designing a web table. Before we learn how to design a table using HTML code, first we will define each tag used in creating a table and inserting data inside each cell of a table. Each of these tags are paired tags. Table tag. This is the main tag used to create or to design the table in web page. tr tag. tr stands for table row, which defines each row of the table. td tag. td means table data. Data inside each row of cells is inserted by this tag. th tag. th stands for table heading. It specifies the heading of each column on its top. Caption tag. This tag is used to give table caption or table heading that appears on the top of the table. Now let's see how to design a web table using all above tags in HTML document. From desktop screen, click on search bar and type Notepad, and click on it to open it. In the Notepad document, type the basic HTML tags that are required to make any web page. Give a title to your web page using title tags that will appear on the title bar of your web page. Now use table tags inside body pair tags to design your table. We can also use caption pair tags to give heading or a caption to our table that will appear at the top of table in our web page. Next, use tr tags and th tags to define the headings of each column in your table. th tags are always come inside tr opening tag and tr closing tag. tr tags define the row of the table, whereas th tags are used to make column heading. Type roll number, name, and marks inside each pair of th tags to make them heading of 3 columns. Roll number, name, and marks will appear at the top of each column as a column heading. Now save your HTML document using File menu of Notepad and type the name of your HTML document. Do not forget to give extension .html with your file name. I have saved my HTML document with file name mytable.html on desktop. Now double click on the MyTable web page to ComeNet to see the output of your HTML document in web browser. It will show you the caption of the table and headings of each column as roll number, name, and marks. The column headings appears without any borders around them. Open your HTML document again and use TD tags inside TR tags to enter data inside each row of the table below 3 column headings. TD tags in HTML document are used to define table data inside each cell of the table. Enter the first row data with roll number 1, name is Smith, and marks are 72. Save your changes. And again refresh your web browser to see the changes you made in your HTML document. The first row data will appear below each heading of each column without table border and cell border. Now let's see how to make table border and cell border around each piece of information. In HTML document, use border attribute inside opping table tag to define border around each cell and around entire table. Save your changes and refresh your web browser to see changes in your table design. Add another data row in your table and refresh your web browser to see second data row in your table. Dear students, with the help of today's lecture, complete the assignment to design a table with given caption, column headings, and table data, as shown in this slide. You can send this assignment to me at my private WhatsApp number till tonight 10 p.m. Dear students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.